Pronunciation of difficult words, Part 2. Stirred, matting, depressing, amazement, slipping, dogged, footsteps, wardrobes, scattered, voiced, defunct, loveliest, brassy, hugged, pony, burrow, obstructed, pursuer, pursued, balloons, laundry, slaking, sizzling, stretched, reaching, trembling, liar, yells, wondering, tramped, sniffed, unbearably, tickled, chuckled, refrain, unconquered, graves, accusing, splows, shadowy, perspiration, laurels, shoves, exposed, motherly, clinched, maniacal, captured, counseling, underfoot, homing, thirst, stuffed, blood curdling, frantically, intoning, bundles, dashed, heaps, alarming, funereal, flooded, heels, stony, enamel, spilling, outdoors, overripe, ferns, hefty, tearing, vibrations, benumbed, ducking, recognized, tweeted, temerity, lavishly, hiders, lugubrious, recognizable, wilder, licking, veiled, striped, coils, whacking, burrowing, west, invisible, unspeakable, conquered, helplessly, leaves, phlegm, astonishment, scrambling, hairy, bored, dusk. Thank you. Please like, subscribe and comment.